Welcome guys. On this video, I am going to show you how to create a group on TikTok. Now to create a group on TikTok, go to your TikTok application, have that open, you click on the inbox area, you have it open. Now you notice where it has a plus icon on the top, you can click on that. Now you click on it and then it brings up this area like so. And then you are going to select the people you want to add to the group. Without adding people to the group, you cannot create the group. So make sure you have people you've chatted with in the past. 2 is okay, 4 perfect. So I select 3 and then I click on start a group. And then you started a group, right? Now your group need a name. To give a name to the group, click on the 3-dotted icon and you are going to notice where it says change name. You click on change name and then you're going to say all right, and then I'm going to add an emoji. So these people already knows me, so they are going to understand I'm doing tutorial even though I did not tell them. Now if you want to add more people to the group, you click on add and then you are going to go ahead and select the people that you want to add to the group. All these are actually my friends, so you select and then you click add. Now after you've added the person to the group, they are now your friend. Now if you want to share this group, you can click on the share button. You can share it on X, WhatsApp or any social media of your choice. If you want to leave the group, you can click on the leave button right there to leave the group. If you want to mute the group, you click on mute and the group is going to be mute. But if you want the group to always appear on the top of your inbox area, you select pin to the top. Now to manage the group, you click on group management. From here, you can click on the first setting that says require admin approval to join. You select that and it's going to be enabled. So when you enable this, they would need an admin to approve the group, to approve a person to join the group before the person join. Then apart from that, you can also manage and add people to as an admin. Click on manage admin and then click on the plus icon and then you can select anybody to be an admin in the group. But I am actually okay. I am going to remove everybody later on. If you want to remove anybody, you can always click on remove group members. You select the people that you want to remove and then you hit the remove button. That is going to help you to remove the person. And if also for some reason you want to transfer the ownership of this group to another person, you click on transfer ownership and then you select the ownership and then you hit on confirm. That is going to confirm the ownership. And then the next thing, guys, if probably you are through with everything and you decide to end the group, you can go ahead and hit on end group. I am going to do that later on and then I'm going to end this group. I'm going to come back to that. But then on this area, you can see every members of the group and individually you can send them message and you can also click on the 3-dotted icon, remove them from the group, make them an admin of the group, block them on TikTok, or let's say report them on TikTok also. So I'm going to go back. This is the main group, right? Now you can always post a link or you can post a link in this group. You can click on link and you are going to see it already copied your link, and you can actually paste any link right in this group so that your admin or your members will be able to see the link of your post. Now let me go back. So if you are on this area and maybe you decide, like let's say you went to your channel or your page and then you have a video you want to share to the group so that they will watch, you click on the video, you click on the 3-dotted icon to share the video and you are going to see the group appear there. You notice it says doing tutorial. You can click on that and then you send that to the group. Now what that does is you are sending the video to the group and then they are going to be able to see the video and they watch it. When they watch the video, it's going to be counting on your WhatsApp, on your TikTok that somebody just watched your video. So this, guys, is actually a good way to promote yourself with your friends. Whenever you upload a new video, you make sure you share it to the group. And guys, there are other things I'm going to be teaching you on a different video. Guys, hope this video is helpful. If it is, smash like, subscribe. I will see you on the next one. Stay safe and peace.